Bring it back.
WPNN, my name is Sophia.
And my name is Francie. It's a great day to be a Panther.
Panthers, any student and or teacher interested in participating in the Puerto Rican parade on September 30th, please contact Ms. Velez.
Send her an email or stop by her classroom, room 5204, to sign up and share your ideas.
Let's join the STEP team and bring a piece of heritage to the Palm Bay streets, celebrating with our Puerto Rican neighbors.
Students, the 23 homecoming dance is coming up quickly. This year's dance is themed Night in Wonderland. The dance will be held on Saturday, September 23rd from 6 to 10 p.m. at Heritage.
The cost for tickets is $25 and will be sold on campus. Tickets are now on sale for seniors and juniors. Sales will be continued until the 22nd or until sold out.
Sophomores and freshmen can start buying homecoming tickets next week.
Panthers, Spirit Week is next week. Please listen to the day and the theme for the week.
Monday, September 18, Bikers vs. Surfers. Tuesday, September 19, Anything But a Backpack Day. Wednesday, September 20, Barbie vs. Ken. Thursday, September 21, Barbecue Dad vs. Soccer Mom. Friday, September 22, Class Colors.
A reminder, the class colors are 9th grade white, 10th grade gray, 11th grade blue, and 12th grade black.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!